Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video we have another very interesting question from algebra. Here we have to evaluate a plus b plus c. Given that a, b, c are positive real numbers and we have two equations. Let's say this is equation 1 and here we'll write equation number 2. In denominators we have 2b plus 1. In second equation also we have 2b plus 1. 3c plus 1, 3c plus 1, a plus 1, a plus 1. So we have similar denominators but with different numerators. So what we will do here, let's add both the equations first. 1 plus 2. We'll add. So a over 2b plus 1. Let's write same denominator. So we need to write 1 over 2b plus 1. Then we'll write 2b over 3c plus 1 from first equation, and with the same denominator in equation 2 we need to write 1 over 3c plus 1. Then we will add 3c over a plus 1 with 1 over a plus 1. In RHS we have 1 and 2, addition will be 3. Now we can add as we have same denominators. So we can get here a plus 1 over 2b plus 1 plus 2b plus 1 over 3c plus 1 plus 3c plus 1 over a plus 1. This will be equal to 3. Now let us assume this is P. Here we have Q. Here we can write R. If A, B, C are positive real numbers, then P, Q, R must be positive real numbers. We can think about AM greater than or equal to GM inequality. Let me write equation here. Here it is. Now we'll be writing AM greater than or equal to GM inequality. We have three positive numbers P, Q and R. Then we can find arithmetic mean of these three numbers. Let us find here. AM equal to, we will write P plus Q plus R over 3. So P plus Q plus R is 3. We will write here 3 in denominator. We have 3. 3 over 3 is 1. So our arithmetic mean is 1. Now we can find geometric mean also, which will be equal to cube root of P times Q times R. Let's write all the values of P, Q and R over here. P is A plus 1 over 2B plus 1 times Q is 2B plus 1 over 3C plus 1 times R is 3C plus 1 over A plus 1. Now we can cancel A plus 1 from the numerator, A plus 1 from the denominator, 2B plus 1 from the numerator denominator. Similarly 3C plus 1 will get over and we will get cube root of 1, which is equal to 1. GM is also equal to 1. We will conclude if AM equal to GM, then P must be equal to Q and Q must be equal to R. So we will write, because equality holds true, P must be equal to Q, must be equal to R, must be equal to 1, as we have P plus Q plus R equal to 3. So we'll write here P value, which is A plus 1 over 2B plus 1. Q value is 2B plus 1 over 3c plus 1. And if we will write r, then we need to write 3c plus 1 over a plus 1 equal to 1. So let's write here a plus 1 over 2b plus 1. If it is equal to 1, we will cross multiply. A plus 1 should be equal to 2b plus 1. We will subtract 1 from both the sides. We will get a equal to 2b. Now from second equation I will write here 2b plus 1 over 3c plus 1 equal to 1. Let's cross multiply. We will get 2b plus 1 equal to 3c plus 1. After subtracting 1 from both the sides, we will get 2b equal to 3c. And if we will write condition from here, then a equal to 2b equal to 3c. We can check from the third equation also. 3c plus 1 over a plus 1 equal to 1. After cross multiplication, we will write 3c plus 1 equal to a plus 1. We'll subtract 1 from both the sides. So plus 1 will get over. We will get 3c equal to a. So our conclusion is a equal to b equal to 3c. A equal to 2 times b equal to 3 times c. Now we will write our second equation. 1 over a plus 1 plus 1 over 2b plus 1 plus 1 over 3c plus 1 equal to 2. And we have condition a equal to 2b equal to 3c. So in place of 3c, we can write a. In place of 2b, we can write a. So we will get equation 1 over a plus 1 plus 1 over a plus 1 plus 1 over a plus 1 equal to 2. So we have 1 over a plus 1 3 times. So we can write here 3 over a plus 1 equal to 2. Now we can cross multiply. We will write 2 times a plus 1 equal to 3 times 1, which is 3. So a plus 1 will be equal to 3 over 2 after dividing by 2 both sides. Now we have to subtract 1 from LHS as well as RHS. Plus 1 minus 1 will get over. We will get a value. 3 over 2 minus 1 is half. So a is half. Now we have one strong conclusion. A equal to 2b equal to 3c. Let's put the value. A is equal to half. A is equal to 2b is equal to 3c. So we can write here, in place of a, we will be writing half. So 2b equal to half. Let's divide both sides by 2. We will get b value 1 over 4. A is half, b is 1 over 4. Now we will find c. So we can write here 3c equal to half. C will be equal to 1 over 6 after dividing by 3 both sides. Now we have A, B and C. We can find our required expression. A plus B plus C will be equal to 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 6. Now we have different denominators but convertible. We will multiply here with 6 in the numerator and denominator. Here we will multiply with 3 in the numerator denominator. And here we will multiply with 2 in the numerator and denominator. And we can write 6 over 12 plus 3 over 12 plus 2 over 12, which will be equal to 6 plus 3 plus 2 in the numerator with common denominator 12. So our answer is ready here. A plus B plus C equal to 11 over 12. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.